All right, so we are going to talk about long division today. I just want to go through the PowerPoint that I went through in class and sing along and hopefully help you figure out our math homework, which is the 1 centimeter grid paper dividing 2-digit by 1-digit numbers. So I'm going to start off by putting the larger number, asking myself, does the divisor fit into the dividend? So my dividend is 150. I remember that my big fat number goes inside the house because it's super lazy. My small number, or the divisor, goes outside the house because it's playing around. So does the divisor fit into the dividend? I look at this. 5 does not go into 1. So I could go through that whole process, put a 0 here, and there'd be a 0 in front of my number, but I'm just going to skip it. So I'm going to go to the second digit, which is 5. So the first number I'm considering is 15. I'm going to skip count and see how many times can I skip count without going over 15. 5, 10, 15. So I know that it goes in 3 times. So I'm going to put it up top. So I put my 3 right above my 15. And that's why I create this shelf, just to keep myself organized. Then I'm going to multiply and then subtract it. So I multiplied 5 times 3, which was 15. And then I subtracted 15 minus 15, which is equal to 0. Bring the next digit down. It's all good. Begin again. So in this case, I took my 0. I brought it down. And now I'm considering, does 5 go into 0? 5 goes into 0 0 times, and so I would multiply it again because I'm going back through my process. 5 times 0 is 0. I would subtract it. 0 minus 0 is 0. It'd be all good, and I have no more numbers to bring down, so my answer is actually 30. Next one. Does the divisor fit into the dividend? So this case, I'm taking 219 divided by 3. 219 is the big fat lazy number, so it's inside the house, playing too many video games. The 3 is outside. Again, I look at 3, it does not go into 2. If I skip count 3, it's already past 2. So I have to go to my second digit. 3 goes into 21, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. It goes into 21 7 times, so I'm going to put a 7 up top, put it up top, multiply, and then subtract it. 3 times 7 is 21. I'm going to subtract 21 minus 21 is equal to 0. Bring the next digit down. It's all good. Begin again. So in this case, I go 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 times 3 is equal to 9, and I didn't have enough space on this computer, so I didn't keep going. It goes in 9 times, and then I subtract it, which is 0. Bring the next digit down. There's no more digits. It's all good. Begin again. So there's no way for me to begin again. There's no remainder, so my answer is 73. Last one. Does the divisor fit into the dividend? So this case, I'm dividing 144 divided by 2. My big fat number, 144, goes in my house. My 2 goes outside. I'm going to ask myself, does 2 go into 1? It does not. So I'm going to go to the second digit. 2 goes into 14, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 7 times. So I'm going to put a 7 up top, put it up top. 2 times 7, multiply, is 14. Multiply and then subtract it. 14 minus 14 is 0. Bring the next digit down. So I take my 4 and I bring it down. It's all good. Begin again. So then I'm going to ask myself, 2 goes into 4 2 times. I'm going to put it up top. I'm going to multiply. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Subtract, it equals 0. So I have no remainder. Hopefully this helps a little bit clarify. I just want to show this to you again with all the colors matching and our singing. Hopefully this helps. There's a second video to explain remainders with a different acronym. So check both out and come to class with lots of questions if long division is still a confusing, hard process for you.